Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a feature that is being tested right now that might actually make it at some point into Windows 11 is the ability, and if you've been using Edge, you might have seen that there's a possibility to have on the right side what is the famous sidebar, Microsoft Edge sidebar here. So the Microsoft Edge sidebar has, of course, all sorts of shortcuts that will go to different apps, and basically, it might soon be detachable, meaning that you might be able to actually get the sidebar, and you'll be able to actually have it permanently, if you want, on the right side of your screen in Windows without the browser being open. So this would be one of the new things that they are testing out among the installs of Windows in the insider rings. Another thing that is interesting is the search and several options. Now, if you remember when we've shown a little bit of Windows 12, there were floating taskbars, floating search. One of the things that seems to also be tested right now, and kind of hints that maybe these are first implementations of Windows 12 features, is that there's eventually, and some people might have it already in some insider rings, a floating search. So when you actually go to search, it opens a floating search bar on your desktop. So, of course, this is not an insider version here, so it does not have that, but it and I don't have it on any of my devices, by the way, but there could be a floating search coming. So there are changes coming to the Windows operating system. It's to wonder if it's going to be kind of a transition between Windows 11 and Windows 12, meaning Windows 12 is going to be kind of a let's continue the work we started with Windows 11 and change things around a little bit. Now, that might not make a lot of people happy. There's a lot of people that aren't actually impressed with the way that Windows 11 is and are not sure Windows 12 is going to be better. But there will be change, and change is always a difficult one for a lot of people. So these are some of the future things that might pop up in a Windows version, and we'll see what the moments that we're going to have this month. We're supposed to have moment 3 coming out possibly in May. So we got moment 1 that arrived late last year. We have moment 2 that was released just a few weeks ago, about a little more than a month ago. And now moment 3 is about to arrive sometime in May or June. So that will bring its set of new features also into Windows 11. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.